Hey guys, it's Sang. Do you know Korean food Gimbap? It's basically a rice roll with the vegetables or meat, whatever you like, in a dried seaweed. But actually, I'm not making it today. My sister volunteered to make it. So while she's making it, I'm gonna film it and then explaining what they are. So you can learn the recipes and the ingredients and the Korean words as well. Alright, let's get started. Okay, now gimbap is done. Yay! So, look at this. This is called hotdog gimbap. Hotdog gimbap. Okay, hotdog gimbap. Hotdog gimbap. And also, only vegetables. Vegetable gimbap. So it's called 야채 gimbap. 야채 gimbap. 야채 means vegetables. 야채 gimbap. The pronunciation is gimbap. It's a long vowel. Some people actually pronounce it gimbap. Gimbap. That's actually wrong pronunciation, but a lot of people pronounce it that way. It's also acceptable, but technically that's not the right pronunciation. It's a gimbap. Gimbap. Also, not the strong sound for pop. Not pop, not gimbap. It's gimbap. Okay? It's a gimbap. Alright? So for the ingredient, doesn't matter. You can just put whatever you want. So this yellow part is egg. 계란, 계란, 계란. This one is hot dog, 소세지. Korean pronunciation is 소세지. 소세지 or 소시지. 소시지. You see? So the yellow part is the egg, 계란. Orange part is 당근. 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 Red one is a bell pepper. Red bell pepper. So the green part is a green pepper. 고추. 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 In the inside, there's a thin layer. Do you see it? So it's 깻잎. 깻잎 is a sesame leaf. Let me try this. It's very fresh. Usually, this is actually not the traditional way. Most people actually stir fry the ingredients. But these are all raw, fresh vegetables. And then one more thing. One of the key ingredients, the common ingredient is burdock. Burdock. So it's like a soy sauce marinated burdock. But this time she didn't use it. Instead, I made a burdock tea. So see? So I'm gonna just drink it. So burdock is 우엉. 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 So this is 우엉 tea, 우엉 차. 우엉 차. Okay? And let me try this hot dog gimbap. This is actually my first time trying this. Look at this. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of a hot dog or sausage, but it's cooked in hot water. I feel like this is a little bit healthier. Alright, so this is how to make kimbap and a mukbang eating show. Hope you enjoyed it and see you next time. Bye bye!